Hi there, we're going to do some cleaning and use one I haven't used in a while. Not really sure why the tool drawer is so stiff. This is the Hoover Breathe Easy. Also, you might have seen them called the Hoover SoftGuard, Hoover Wide Path, Hoover Turbo Power 4500. It has a 15-inch brush roll, like so, double row. Has the rubber edge groomers just like the wind tunnel uprights did. This one's a 7.3 amp. It is Type Z bag, 7.3 amp, model U5250-930. I can actually try to put that on video for you. 5250-930, and it's from January of 1999. It's a very good machine. It's a nice cleaner. Not too loud. Not the quietest, but not too loud. I would definitely take this over any Kirby, just because my ears don't do well with the tool mode of Kirby. It's got a microfilter in there. Added filtration. Look, it out cleans the Sharks and Dysons. From that time, of course. And now, as you can see, we're pretty clean here. Not sure, I think that's a scratch. And I have a HEPA Y bag in here. So, anywho, that's the Hoover wide path. Helps to install the door properly. And then again, these came in many colors. Later ones were 12 amp. Most of the ones were 7.3. There was Breathe Easy. There was Power Max. Power Max did not have the filter on the door. I'm not sure what the filter was for it. But Breathe Easy, SoftGuard, Wide Path, Turbo Power 4500. It's the same forehead design as the first Hoover bagless dirt cup models. Of course, these were all direct air. If you see this model hood, this is direct air. Everything comes in through the fan over here and shoots up to the bag from there. But sort of based on the Elite, but also not, because you have a lot of nice features. You have a longer cord. You have the much better filtration, easier tool conversion, the wider cleaning path, the 7.3 amp motor instead of 7 or 6.5 or 7.2. There were many. It's just a nice machine. It's nice to maneuver. It's not as light, obviously, as, say, this Elite, but kind of like it a little better than this one. And I like it a hell of a lot better than this one. This one is a 7.5 amp Legacy. It is loud. And this wide path definitely has better suction and airflow over this guy. And I think the fans are the same style. I'm pretty sure they're the new 20 blade. But anywho, we're 7.5 minutes. Have a great one.